Anthony Topping from Frame It All. I'm here today to show you our new Frame It All tie-in brackets. You can see right over here, the brackets tie in the beds together so you get a perfectly straight lines. You can go 4 ways with your timber or use our existing bracket here to do a 3-way, which is over here. So you see how this bed here is tied in over here, and if we wanted to actually come out with it, we would use the 4-way bracket. So it really makes a nice, strong, sturdy garden bed. You can go any height, any length, and still a perfect straight lines.